The greater trochanter is a four-sided bony prominence located at the upper part of the femur, where the neck meets the shaft. Its upper posterior face extends posteromedially and extends over the posterior aspect of the femoral neck. Tibial tuberosity is the bump on the top of the tibia or shin bone, where the patellar tendon connects. Tendons connect muscles to bones. The patellar tendon stretches over the top of the patella or kneecap. Lateral malleolus is the name given to the bone on the outside of the ankle joint called the fibula. The most common type of ankle fracture is a lateral malleolus fracture, which can occur when the ankle is twisted or rolled. Medial malleolus, the small prominent bone on the inner side of the ankle at the end of the tibia. Calcaneus, the large bone forming the heel. It articulates with the cuboid bone of the foot and the talus bone of the ankle, and the Achilles tendon or tendocalcaneus is attached to it. Flexion, a bending movement around a joint in a limb, as the knee or elbow that decreases the angle between the bones of the limb at the joint. Extension, a movement that increases the angle between two body parts. Abduction, the motion of a limb or appendage away from the midline of the body. Adduction is when you move a limb or body part towards the center of the body. Rotation, movements made about the longitudinal axis and in the transverse plane. Circumduction, the movement of the limb, hand, or fingers in a circular pattern using the sequential combination of flexion, adduction, extension, and abduction motions. Pronation, the rotatory movement during which the palm and forearm face downward. Supination, a rotational movement of the forearm at the radioulnar joint or of the foot at the subtalar and talocalcaneovicular joints. Inversion, the movement of the sole towards the median plane so that the sole faces in a medial direction. Eversion, a type of movement at the ankle joint that involves turning outward the sole of the foot away from the body's midline. Dorsiflexion, flexion at the ankle so that the foot points more superiorly. Plantar flexion, the extension of the ankle so that the foot points down and away from the leg. So that's all for the video.